equipment, and other fun things and places. Before we get started, hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Ding! Today, we have lots of surprises.
Well, thank you for that amazing introduction, Miraculous Girl, and welcome back everyone to Exploring It All. So today we are going to be taking a look at the Victorinox Master MIC S. This is model number 4.2262. This is a smaller, there's two of them I believe, and this is the fixed blade knife by Victorinox, fixed blade outdoor knife. And I'm going to be opening this today with my newly acquired serrated Spartan, which is very sharp, and I think I just cut my box, which I didn't want to do. All right, so I cut the box. I can't believe I did that. My box is kind of beat up. I got this on Amazon. I want to say I paid about $100 for it. You can probably order it straight from Victorinox. So here we go. This has a micarta handles. You have a nice looking, I like these micarta handles. Looks like I'm going to be able to make some sort of a paracord wrap. I'm going to have to find some nice red to match this. Now this is a Kydex sheath, and it says that it is Tech Lock system compatible. So you can attach it to one of those Tech Lock type systems. As it is, you could probably put it on a belt, pull it tight, and utilize this to keep it that way. Yeah, so that's the sheath. I kind of would have liked some sort of clip or something to be on that, but that it's compatible, that's good. That's cool. So anyway, so yeah, it's a nice Kydex sheath. Now, obviously, this thing is not coming out of here. Give you an idea of kind of what it looks like here. This has a little springy lock on it. So that's first appearances. It has, you can see a red liner in here. And like I said, these are micarta here. I assume that's some sort of G10 liner there. So, so it comes out pretty nice. The blade looks nice. It did not list what type of steel this is. It's got a sharp spine on it. I know that this will throw a spark. So on the Victorinox website, this knife is listed for $145.99. I think I got it for like $125 on Amazon. I could be incorrect about that, but I think that's about what I paid. I'll list the price, what I paid for it, down below. Anyway, this knife has a nice little weight to it. It's obviously not a big knife, and there is a large version, and I want to say it runs like $299. But I really like this knife. So I thought, hey, let's do a couple little knife things here. Test out this. Like I said, this blade, or maybe I didn't say, this blade is a Scandia grind. They list it as a drop point. It is supposed to be easy to sharpen. Scandia grind is what they said. It looks really nice. I like it. This is a really nice edge on this. All right, so Just doing that. It was a little rough on that. Now this is some fire cord, so it's a little bit stronger than regular cord. But let's see how it slices. Kind of pulled through that just fine. Oh yeah. Now let's do a couple pull-throughs on this. Pull through. Sorry, I'm jiggling the table because I'm resting on it here. Let me get a better grip. Wow, okay. A little bit harder up top there. I hit my tripod. Works better on the slice than it does on the pull-through. So let's see here. And one other thing I was going to do here because of this spine. No problem throwing a spark. Now I got my spine all charred up here. Of course, probably scratch it up even more than that before I'm done. I like it. This is a really nice little knife. I was looking on the Victorinox website, and there was someone raving about how great this sheath was. I mean, it's got great retention, but I'm not a fan of a paracord belt loop. Like I said, it does go into tech lock. So anyway, so that's a look at this Victorinox MIC S outdoor knife. Let's see. Overall, the knife itself is a little over 6 inches. Yeah, a little over 6 inches, just barely. It listed as being 0.8 inch, but to me, on my lines on my board here, it's technically, I mean, I guess just the blade itself is less than an inch in width, but it's not, the knife overall is more than. I really like this knife. This is a cool knife. And the weight on it. The weight on it. I really like that. Anyway, so tell me what you think, guys. Here's a close look at the blade. There's nothing on the other side. It's full tang, obviously. I don't know what the steel is. Other than that, that's a look at it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, and remember, be nice to each other.